On this episode of NCAP TV, I'd like to share a couple of ideas that will help you re-energize and stay focused on your business. It's easy to get distracted, happens to me as well, but I'm going to share 7 ideas, 7 suggestions that will help you reconnect and stay focused in a world that's full of distractions. Stay tuned. Okay, the first thing I'd like to talk to you about is turning off notifications. If your phone is dinging and binging and zinging and ringing, keep in mind that those are just distractions, and you might think about it this way. Even though it may only take a few seconds to respond to a text or a message, what you're doing is you're disconnecting your brain. And in doing that, you end up losing your train of thought, and it takes time to get that back again. Studies have shown that even just those brief interruptions can really mess us up when it comes to staying focused and really drilling into what we need to get accomplished. So, point number 1, turn off notifications. Point number 2, establish daily routines. Some of the most brilliant people, most successful business people in history have a habit of getting up in the morning and setting into a routine of reading or doing something that's consistent, and then throughout their day they take chunks of time and develop habits, mini habits you might say, that will help them to stay focused and dialed in. It's the lack of structure that can really mess us up, and then when the interruptions come, it kind of gets us off base, and it's easy to kind of end up over here in left field somewhere. So developing a good routine that you can carry on throughout the day will really help you in developing habits that will help you stay focused and really dialed into your business. Point number 3, rank your tasks. Stephen Covey, famous author, considers the thought of ranking tasks by important or not important, urgent or not urgent. By keeping your to-do list categorized by things that are important and not getting distracted by things that are less important, actually clearing them off your plate, you can stay focused on the things that matter, that's going to move the ball forward for you. So again, prioritizing, ranking your tasks will certainly help you to stay focused and not to become distracted and kind of lose your game plan as you go through your busy day. Point number 4, stop multitasking. Now I know you probably feel like you can keep 18 things going at the same time, but in reality, when you're even doing just a couple of things simultaneously, concentration and focus is not all that great, and in fact, you're probably compromising on all of the things that you think you're trying to do well. So, bottom line, stop multitasking. It's not a good idea. The more things that you try to do simultaneously, the less each one of them gets the full attention that they deserve. So if you want to be efficient, work at one thing at a time, clear your plate, and move on to the next thing. So that's point number 4. Point number 5, learn to say no. You see, every distraction, everything that pops up, every phone call, every coffee that you take, every Twitter that you respond to, every message board that you break and go to, is really cutting out your focus on things that are important. So if you want to stay focused, learn to say no to all of these multitudes of distractions that continue to encroach on you. Point number 6, learn to say yes. Wait a second, I just said say no. What we're talking about is say yes to the things that are important and focus on those things. Like a camera lens can focus on, really macro focus on small little details, it's good to learn to focus on the things that are going to matter, that's going to move the ball forward in your business. And so when we put those two things together, learn to say no to the things that are cutting out your time or draining your energy, taking you in the wrong direction, and say yes to the things that matter, those two things kind of work hand in hand together. Finally, point number 7, take time to regenerate, time to feed your brain, shut everything off, go on vacation, or even just go sit in a chair at Starbucks and have a coffee and kind of refocus and re-energize. It's amazing how much your brain can be recharged by these brief episodes. For example, in my business, when I've been on vacation, sometimes some of my better ideas will come out of the uptake on the on the flip side of that vacation when I come back to work. Some of my best ideas I've ever come up with have come after a recharge session, you might say. So take time to regenerate. So hopefully these 7 points will help you to become more effective. And really what we want to do here at Excellent Supply is help you to up your game in your business, help you max your NCAP. Share your thoughts below, please, and subscribe to our channel. We like to help you every way that we can with your business here at Excellent Supply. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon here on NCAP TV. Have a great day.